Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Good evening. Thanks for joining. We'll wait for some more time and then start the show. Hello, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Couple more seconds, we will start the show. Alright, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity Sunday Live. Today we have a lot of varieties to showcase. So we will start with our batik sarees on cotton silk. We have ikat cottons, we have jute cottons, we have silk cottons, we have Banarasi on semi-georgettes, we have tussars, and we also have soft silks to be showcased in today's video. So it's going to be a very interesting session. People who'd like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description. Please click on the link to look at all these sarees. You can also simultaneously log on to www.shoeseternity.com. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all these sarees. Let's get started. Before we start, as you all know, we have the 5% off. The Joy of Giving JOG offer is back this summer. So you get 5% off on all our products. So please log on to www.shoeseternity.com to avail the offer. So with that, we will get started. Before we start, the sari that I am wearing is a cotton silk shibori pattern sari. It's a beautiful brown color sari with jari borders on either sides, and it's got a nice shibori patterned pallu and a running blouse. So I have matched it with a puff sleeved printed blouse. So the price of the sari is 1480. If you'd like to get similar saris, please stay tuned to our video on Tuesday, that is day after in the morning, to look at all the shibori saris that we showcase in the video. So with that, we will start the session.
Yeah, we'll start the show with sari number 1. Price at 1580, 1580.
So this is a very different sari. It's a cotton silk with shibori and batik prints together. So this comes with a gold jari border on either side. The whole of the body has a discharge wax print along with shibori patterns, a beautiful pallu, and a very pretty shibori blouse.
Sari number 1, price at 1580. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. Alright, moving on to sari number 2, price at 1580. 1580, sari number 2.
This is another color variant of the same design. This is a nice pale gold. Shibori along with batik prints, gold jari borders on either sides, a very pretty pallu, and a shibori blouse.
Sari number 2, price at 1580, 1580.
So we'll start with our jute cotton saris.
Sari number 3, price at 1980, 1980, sari number 3.
It's a very pretty purple shade with beautiful digital prints all over the body. It's a very pretty floral sari. A nice floral pallu and a self-printed purple color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 3. Price at 1980, 1980. Moving on to sari number 4. Price at 1980, 1980, sari number 4.
It's a beautiful yellow with very pretty digital printed floral patterns all over the body. A gicha kind of a border on either sides. A very pretty gicha pallu, striped gicha pallu, and a plain gicha blouse.
Sari number 4. Price at 1980.
So I do have color options in the same design. So this is going to be orange and this is going to be a red. Very pretty floral patterns. So we have 3 colors and multiple pieces in the same.
Yeah, price at 1980.
Next we have another design in jute cotton. I also have multiple pieces and colors in this. This is going to be a beautiful orange with very pretty maple leaf digital prints all over the body. A gicha border on either side. A beautiful pallu and a plain orange color blouse.
Sari number 5, priced at 2,280, 2280.
So we have color options in the same design. One is going to be a green. And the other one is going to be a nice peach.
Priced at 2,280. Moving on to sari number 6, priced at 2,990, 2990, sari number 6.
This is a pale orange with a blue combination. Beautiful gold jari borders on either sides of the sari. A very pretty MS blue color woven pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 6, priced at 2,990, 2990, sari number 6. Up next is sari number 7, priced at 2,990, 2990, sari number 7. People who are looking to...
This is a maroon with a green combination. Beautiful gold jari borders on either sides. Very pretty woven patterns all over the body. A woven pallu in light green and a light green color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 7, priced at 2,990. Moving on to sari number 8, priced at 2,990, 2990, sari number 8. People are looking to buy these saris. There will be a link posted in the comment section for your reference. It will be pinned. Please click on it after the session is over, but it will be updated only after the session is over with all the saris that you see in the live play. So this is sari number 8, priced at 2,990.
This is a dark onion pink with blue combination. Beautiful Pochampalli design patterns all over the body. Gold jari borders on either sides. A violet colored woven pallu and a plain violet color blouse.
Sari number 8, priced at 2,990. Up next is sari number 9, priced at 2,690, 2690, sari number 9.
So this is an ikat cotton sari. A dark pink with blue combination. Beautiful ikat borders on either sides. An ikat patterned blue color pallu. A beautiful ikat patterned blue color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 9, priced at 2,690, 2,690, sari number 9. Up next is sari number 10, priced at 3,680, 3,680, sari number 10.
This is a black with blue combination ikat, double ikat work cotton sari. It's got beautiful multicolor ikat patterns all over the body. Plain blue color borders on either sides. A striped blue color pallu and a very pretty plain blue color blouse.
Sari number 10, priced at 3,680, 3,680. Moving on to sari number 11, priced at 2,790, 2,790, sari number 11.
This is a blue with orange combination. The whole body has very pretty birds and animal buttas, as you can see. Plain orange color borders on either sides. Beautiful orange color woven pallu and an ikat patterned orange color blouse.
Sari number 11, priced at 2,790, 2,790. Alright, this is sari number 12, priced at 1,490, 1,490, sari number 12.
This is a black with a red combination. Very pretty patola printed patterns all over the body. A beautiful patola designed pallu and a self-printed black color blouse.
Sari number 12, priced at 1,490. Alright, this is sari number 13, priced at 1,780, 1,780, sari number 13.
Very traditional patola design patterns in green and red combination. A beautiful patola designed pallu and a self-printed red color blouse.
Sari 13, priced at 1,780, 1,780.
Moving on to our silk cotton collection.
We're starting with saree number 14, price at 4290, 4290, saree number 14.
This is a beautiful thread woven saree. The whole body and the borders have thread woven patterns. It's a green with a black combination. Comes with a jari pallu, beautiful woven jari pallu, and a plain black color blouse.
Alright, this is saree number 14, price at 4290. Moving on to saree number 15, price at 4290. 4290, saree number 15.
A cream with a black combination. Thread woven patterns in the borders, the body. A jari pallu in black. And a beautiful black color blouse.
This is saree number 15, price at 4290. Moving on to saree number 15, price at 4290. 4290, saree number 15.
This is a grey with a black combination. Beautiful thread woven patterns in the body and the borders. A jari pallu in black. And a plain black color blouse.
Saree 15, price at 4290.
This is a Banarasi saree on semi-georgette. Banarasi weave on semi-georgette. A beautiful peach with an orange combination. Woven borders. Fully jari woven patterns all over the body. A very pretty jari pallu. And a plain peach color blouse.
So this is saree number 17, price at 6590. Moving on to saree number 18, price at 5750. 5750, saree number 18.
This is a pale brown. Beautiful floral jari woven Banarasi borders on either side of the saree. And in the whole body you have very pretty Meena work. That's going to be the whole body. And it's got a short pallu and a fully jari woven brocade blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 18, price at 5750. Moving on to saree number 19, price at 4980. 4980, saree number 19.
This is a pale yellow with orange combination. Very pretty woven borders on either sides, Banarasi borders. And a Meena work body. A short pallu. And a fully jari woven brocade pale yellow color blouse.
Moving on to saree number 20, price at 4950. 4950, saree number 20.
So we'll start with our Tussar collection. This is a very beautiful peach color. Comes with gold jari borders on either side. So the whole of the body has very pretty hand painted floral patterns, as you can see. And it's got a jari pallu with hand painted floral buttas and a striped blouse.
Alright, this is saree number 20, price at 4950. Moving on to saree number 21, price at 4950.
A pink with a cream combination. Beautiful gold jari borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty hand painted patterns in the borders. A jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 21, price at 4950.
I have another color in the same design. This is going to be an orange.
Saree 22, price at 4950.
Gold jari borders on either side of the saree. Beautiful hand painted floral buttas in the borders. A very pretty jari pallu and a plain orange color blouse.
Alright, this is saree number 22, price at 4950. 4950.
moving on to our soft silk collection. A cream with a peachish pink, beautiful peachish pink color borders on either sides of the sari. Very pretty pink color self-striped pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
So saree number 23, price at 4,680, 4,680.
I have another color variant in the same design. This is going to be a pink with a green.
Saree 24, price at 4,680, 4,680.
Green color borders on either sides of the sari. A self-striped pink color body. A beautiful striped pallu in green and a plain green color blouse.
Saree 24, price at 4,680. Up next is saree number 25, price at 6,980, 6,980, saree number 25.
This is a cream with a blue and green combination. Comes with a gold jari border on either sides of the sari. The whole of the body has jari woven buttas, and in the lower half you have beautiful jari woven buttas again. A very pretty jari pallu in blue and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree 25, priced at 6,980. Moving on to saree number 26, priced at 7,680.
This is a blue with a pink combination. The whole body has very pretty floral buttas, and the borders of the sari have a checkered pink color border along with jari woven buttas. A very rich pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Alright, saree number 26, priced at 7,680. Moving on to saree number 27, priced at 7,680, 7,680, saree number 27.
A beautiful maroon with a blue combination. Comes with a thin strip of blue color border on either sides along with box pattern jari woven butta all over the body. A beautiful blue jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree number 27, priced at 7,680. Moving on to saree number 28, price at 7,680, 7,680.
Pink color borders on either sides. A green and mustard color body with peacock jari woven buttas all over the body. A beautiful jari pallu with yana and peacock buttas and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 28, priced at 7,680. Up next is saree number 29, priced at 8,980, 8,980, saree number 29.
This is a very rich sari. It's a peacock blue with purple combination. It's got a cross stripe pattern all over the body along with jari woven buttas. Beautiful floral borders on either sides in purple. A very rich sari. And a purple color jari pallu. And a plain purple color blouse.
Saree 29, priced at 8,980, 8,980. This is saree number 30, priced at 7,680, 7,680.
A peachish pink with a green combination. It's a borderless sari with round chakra buttas all over the body. A nice bottle green color jari woven pallu with manga buttas and a plain bottle green color blouse.
Saree number 30, priced at 7,680. The last saree for this session, the deal of the day saree. The actual price is 6,950 and the deal price is 5,750, 5,750.
This is a blue shade. It's a pure Banarasi tussar silk sari. It's got a woven border on either sides of the sari. Beautiful meena work buttas all over the body, as you can see. A very pretty jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse. A very classy sari.
Saree number 31, price at 5,750. That's all for the session.
So that is it for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. people who'd like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the comment section. The link is active. You can go get with your purchase. You can also simultaneously log on to www.shrewseternity.com. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all these sarees. So with that, we'll see you with our next live session on Wednesday. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.